people. You see how this country is just full of drama. This September especially. Everywhere drama. And this weather is not even helping because rain is just falling up and down. Come, let me teach you how to make pepper soup that will hug you tight. This is the Gucci of pepper soups. And I'm telling you, you don't need another recipe after you've learned how to make pepper soup like this. You guys, the first thing you're going to need is your herbs. It's 2021. If you are cooking without herbs, I mean, like, where are you? These things are easy to grow, okay? Get your spices out, select your cookwares, bring out everything you're going to need. Make sure everything is ready before you start because this is a sharp recipe as usual. And then let's go. Now you need your goat meat. The type they sell at the market. Buy he goat because, hard guy. They're always easier to cook. All these guys, including goats, they are so soft. So yeah, add your ginger and garlic to your goat meat. And then add your habanero peppers, your onions, your uda, that's very important, that's pepper soup spice, and then your lemongrass. Now this is what takes this pepper soup to another level. This lemongrass, it is so important. Add your rosemary or thyme, some spring onions and parsley. Now season with some salt, black pepper. This is our local basil called Nchang or Ifiri, and then add all your spices. That's a combination of pepper soup spice, my native spice that has iru, black pepper and all-purpose seasoning. Now cover that to cook on low heat for 15 minutes without water. You guys, I didn't put water in this thing. This is the amazingness of cast iron. Like, it will cook it. In fact, now add water and then just adjust the seasoning because it's pepper soup, right? You need some water for it to have soup. When it has cooked for another 15 minutes, add some crayfish and that's it. All right, leave it to just simmer. Now it's time to make our noodles. Bring water to a boil. And then whilst that is boiling, check on the goat meat. It has to be tender, all right? It has to be soft enough to just chew once. You don't have to use knife to cut it to start chewing. It doesn't have to be so chewy, all right? And then once your water has boiled, cook your noodles. I'm using al dente noodles. It's Nigerian made and it's fabulous. This is my favorite noodle right now. Like, I eat it almost every week and oh my gosh, this noodle is right here. Whew. This is the spinach flavor. It is amazing. It's a favorite because of the color. Just make sure that you cook it for just 1 minute and then you salt your water. Very important. Put it in some water. Just run it through a tap when you're done so it doesn't cook continuously. And then strain this money right here. This broth, or will I say this stock, is delicious. This is premium pepper soup. And it is so good. Now let's assemble our noodles. You want to put your noodles first and then add your goat meat on the side. Add some carrots for some crunch and then put your money on top of it. This money is hot and it's delicious. So add your soup and then some pickles if you like. This is pickled cabbage and onions. I really love pickles because they just take everything to another level. Sprinkle some basil on top of it. And look at that. Pickles are easy to do, by the way. Just put some, veggies in salted water and vinegar and sugar, and that's it. But taste this food. Make this food and taste it. You will never make pepper soup any other way. And you will come back and hug me in the comment section and say, Nancy, you shave at us. Oh, my God. Now, this is just some sprinkled cashew nuts that were spiced and toasted. But, man, this will make you forget about Nigeria's problems. You feel so loved and so hugged and so, man, you have to try it. God bless you guys. Mwah.